Welcome students, welcome to my new lecture. I am Roxana Parveen, lecturer, Department of Civil Engineering, World University of Bangladesh. In previous lecture, we have designed one-way slab and interior longitudinal beam completely. In today's lecture, we will design the exterior longitudinal beam from the same plan. This is the beam column layout of the plan. Here, these are the exterior longitudinal beam and this is the interior longitudinal beam. We will design the exterior longitudinal beam here. Exterior longitudinal beam design. Here L equal to 24 feet equal clear span. 15 by 2 inch equal half of the column length and it is converted into feet by dividing 12. For 2 column 15 by 2 is used to 2 times. So finally L equal to 25.25 feet. Let us take beam width equal to 10 inch, beam depth equal to 20 inch. Depth of beam has taken as equal to interior longitudinal beam. Load calculation. Factor load from slab to beam equal to 5 plus 10 by 12 into 286 equal to 1668.3 pound per feet. Here 5 feet equal to half of slab length in short direction. 10 inch is the beam width and it is converted into feet by dividing 12. Factor load from beam stem equal to 1.2 dead load factor. 10 inch beam width, 20 inch beam depth, 6 inch slab thickness, 150 equal to unit weight of concrete. 12 into 12 is to convert it the value in feet. So finally factor load from beam stem equal to 175 pound per feet. Floor to floor height equal to 12 feet. Wall thickness equal to 5 inch equal to 5 by 12 feet. Window opening equal to 30%. So total wall equal to 100 minus 30% equal to 70% equal 0.7. Unit weight of brick equal to 120 pound per feet cube. Now factor load from wall equal to 1.2 dead load factor into 5 by 12 into 12 into 0.7 into 120. So finally factor load from wall stands to 504 pound per feet. Total load WU equal to load from slab plus load of beam stem plus load from wall. Here 1668.3 just calculated in previous slide. So total load WU equal to 2347.3 pound per feet equal to 2.35 kip per feet. This is the SI moment coefficient of beam. This is the longitudinal section of beam. Here moment coefficient at exterior support is 1 by 16, mid span is 1 by 14 and interior support is 1 by 9. Here mid span moment is positive and interior and exterior support moment is negative. Moment calculation. At exterior support end, negative moment MNE equal to 1 by 16 into WAD square. Here 1 by 16 is moment coefficient for exterior support. W equal to total load equal to 2.35 kip per feet. L equal to beam length equal to 25.25 feet. Substituting all values in equation, we get MNE equal to 1128 kip inch. At mid span, positive moment MP equal to 1 by 14 into WD square. Here 1 by 14 is also the moment coefficient at mid span. And finally MP equal to 1284 kip inch. At interior support end, negative moment Mni equal to 1 by 9 into WL square. Here 1 by 9 is the moment coefficient at interior support. So finally Mni equal to 1998 kipinch. Compressive strength of concrete T'C equal to 3500 psi, which is given in data. Steel ratio rho equal to 0.85 into beta 1 into F'C by Fy into epsilon u divided epsilon u plus epsilon s. For design, epsilon u equal to 0.003, epsilon s equal to 0.005. Substituting all values, we get steel ratio rho equal to 0.0158. Now, R equal to rho into Fy into 1 minus 0.59 rho Fy by F'C. And replacing all values in equation, we get R equal to 0.796 ksi. Depth check. Total depth H equal to 20 inch. Provided our actual effective depth D equal to 20 minus 3.5 inch equal to 16.5 inch. And this is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you everyone. In next lecture, we will calculate the reinforcement and show detailing of the beam.